Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to make round corners in SketchUp. So basically, SketchUp has no inbuilt tool that can make round corners of these sections in SketchUp itself. There is one option that you make one arc like this, then you pull it apart, then you make another arc over here, also the same arch of the same length, and then you again do this and you intersect few of these lines like this, and then you can maybe make a round corner. But today I'm going to teach you a very simple way that you can make round corners, and that is also three types of round corners in any in three types. So basically, you jump to Google Chrome, you search round corner in extension warehouse, and you'll land up on this page. This is a tool from Fredo 6 round corner. It actually supports and it actually gives options of three types of round corners. So first one is the simple round corner. The second one is a sharp round corner, and the third one is the bevel round corner. So you can make edges, how many ever edges that are exploded in your SketchUp model. You can simply make the round corner for it. You simply press on visit extension site and press leave, so it will be redirected to the main site that gives you this extension. You have to be logged in to the site if you want that the plugin to get downloaded. And when the RBZ file is right over here, you jump back to SketchUp, go to extensions, go to extension manager, then press on install extension. Go to the location where you downloaded your RBZ file and just double click on it. Wait for a few seconds. You must okay. You just need to you need to install Leaf Fredo 6 also to make this run. So basically that is the backup software. So as you can see it over here, it's getting downloaded. You will have to wait for a few seconds maybe. It's a pretty big file of 10.43 MB. That's not so big, but for a plugin it is. So Fredo also gives you a very big bunch of softwares and plugins for SketchUp that will help you save a lot of time of you that you can model in SketchUp. So basically, for actually installing round corner, you first have to install libfredo 6. So here we have downloaded libfredo 6, and we will double click on it and do that also. Okay, so right over here the Fredo 6 is also installed, and now the libfredo 6 is getting installed. You will have to wait for a few seconds. So the Live Fredo is now installed, and we can just press on later and right over here, and we simply do this right click and check for our round corner edges. So it has to be get added right over here, which I cannot see. I'll go to the extension manager again, and we'll select round corner, which is right over here. We'll disable it and we'll enable it again, and we have applied changes. So we should have our round corner plugin which is right over here. You simply save a file for a moment and again open it for making the leaf Freedo tool work for you. Okay, so restarting our SketchUp again. Now we have the round corner tool right over here at for our service. So we will first select the first component that we want to make a round corner. So as I told you, it has three options to make round corners. First one is the round corner, second one is the sharp corner, and third one is the bevel corner. So first we'll do the round corner. We'll just press on it when you want to do it, and you simply make what offset that you want. I'll just go by a small number, that is 600. So basically this much part, as you can see right over here, this much will get curved right over here, and you simply press on generate geometry right over here, and it is done. And after you get your deserved round corner, you simply press on exit, and your first round corner is completed. And basically this, the lines are hidden because we had selected the soft volume. Now I'll show you the sharp corner. Again we'll do the offset with 600 only, of course, again, and then we press on generate geometry, and again we have sharp corners which is right over here. You can, there are many options that if you want to show edges, if you don't want to show edges, and stuff like that. And you can also increase the segments, like if you want a sharper edge or you don't want a sharper edge. After your the desired shape is achieved, you simply press on exit tool right over here like this. So this is basically the sharp corner edge that you can see, which is right over here. So this is a sharp corner. And then third, last but not the least, we have the bevel corner. Again we'll do offset of 600, and again this is correct. Okay, height parameters are on, corners are soft smooth. Okay, and just press generate geometry. You can also cancel if you want, and you just simply press on exit. And your bevel round corner is also ready. So these are the three types of round corners that you can do in SketchUp. So I'll show you the edges. Basically, I just wanted to show you the edges. These are the edges of our round corner. So these are the three edges of a round corner, which is the round corner, one is the sharp corner, and third is the bevel corner. So that was it for the video. In this video, we learned about how to make a round corner in any geometry in SketchUp. So it is that easy. If you like the video, then you can share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.